Hi, this is Victoria with healthmanifested.com, and I'm here to talk to you about Venus in Leo. And people with Venus in Leo, they like to be seen. They like to be seen for their beauty, and they like to be seen out in the public eye for their talents. And they often like to dress up and look nice, and they want their partner to also be out in the public eye, but they also don't want to be overshadowed by their partner. And oftentimes they're in relationships where there's a little bit of competition over who gets to be seen in the public eye. And they like to share their creative ideas with the world. And they also want to better society in some way. This is a great placement for somebody who wants to be seen in the public eye. And they should look for a partner that is creative, but who also wants to make a contribution to the world, but also more about bettering the world and less about themselves. And there are people who love to be appreciated and loved as well. And that's my interpretation of Venus in Leo.